Printable wool art can throw off 90% profit margins on autopilot, but most Etsy shops still earn less than $500 a month. The gap between those two numbers is what we're breaking today. Here's the twist. A handful of focused shops hit $5,000,000 per month. According to InsightAgent and DigitalBizPLR, and the path they follow looks nothing like the average beginner's plan. First, what are we actually selling? Printable wool art is just downloadable JPG or PDF files sized for home printers or photo labs. No boxes, no shipping, no customer returns on damaged frames. According to InsightAgent, printable wool art is Etsy's highest volume digital category right now, with over 400,000 monthly searches and typical margins around 90 to 95% because there's no physical stock. But high margins don't mean high income by default. Customcy looked at Etsy digital shops and found average revenue around $444 a month, yet average profit only $489. So most sellers stay stuck in hobby money. In the wall art niche specifically, DigitalBizPLR's 2026 data shows prices usually between $3 and $15. Top sellers pull $5,000,000,000,000,000,000 a month, but that's with hundreds of tightly targeted listings. InsightAgent reports that focused printable wall art shops commonly land between $500 and $5,000 per month in 2026 when they pick clear niches and scale listings intentionally, not just upload random pretty art. So what does one sale actually pay you? According to Printful's breakdown of Etsy's 2026 fees, you pay 20 cents to list, a 6.5% transaction fee, plus about 3% plus 25 cents for payment processing. On a $20 printable art sale in the US, Printful calculates Etsy keeps roughly $2.35 in fees. You keep about $17.65 before design costs. That's why digital wall art feels almost unfair compared to physical products. A real example from GrowingYourCraft, they reported about 5,000 printable sales in a year at an average price of $5, which worked out to nearly $2,000 a month once the catalog was built and running. So let's map a realistic path. To hit $500 a month, your target is roughly 50 to 150 sales monthly, depending on price. That's either 50 sales at $10 or 125 sales at $4. Both are doable in this niche. Step 1 from zero, pick a micro niche, not living room decor. Think neutral nursery prints, boho bathroom quotes, or Christian bedroom scripture art. Narrow buyers convert way faster on Etsy search. Use Etsy's search bar and InsightAgent style tools to spot phrases with real search volume and multiple shops already selling. You want proof of demand, then you bring your spin, not you invent a brand new category. Step 2. Build a simple design system. Decide 2 or 3 layout styles, 1 font pairing, and a color palette. In Canva or similar, you can crank out 50 coordinated designs fast instead of reinventing every file. The goal for a $500 a month side income is about 50 to 100 listings live within your first 90 days. That sounds like a lot until you realize one quote style can be reused across dozens of different phrases. To push toward $2,000 a month, you're likely looking at 200 to 400 listings and at least 1 or 2 proven sub-niches. At that point, you're running a small catalog, not a cute art shop where you upload when inspired. Step 3, optimize every listing like it's a tiny landing page. Strong thumbnail, clear size info, keyword-rich title, and a description focused on where it goes in the home, not your artistic journey. Timeline-wise, expect your first few sales within 30 to 60 days if you're publishing weekly. Hitting $500 a month is realistic in 6 to 12 months. $2,000 a month usually takes a full year of consistent listing and tweaks. The catch, printable wall art, is crowded. The shops that win treat it like a data-driven product business, not a random art dump. Niche volume and clean listings are what turn those 90% margins into real cash. If you want more straight-up breakdowns like this, subscribe. I'll walk you through one realistic online income stream at a time with real numbers and concrete steps you can copy every week.